What's up, y'all, and welcome to Big Time Cooking with NG, where I share my favorite recipes with you so you in turn can share with your family and friends. Here's a recipe that will elevate your kitchen game, whether it's a casual midweek dinner or a special evening with guests. This bacon and mushroom stuffed chicken breast is guaranteed to impress. It's the bee's knees and will leave everyone asking for seconds. No need for takeout containers here because every last morsel will be devoured. So let's stop chatting and let's get to cooking. To kick this recipe off, we're going to dice up 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, red, green, or yellow, whatever floats your boat. Rough chop about 3-4 cups of mushrooms. Put that to the side. Grab 5 to 7 slices of bacon, stack it all together, and with a sharp knife, slice it down the center, and then cut your bacon left to right to give you some nice bite-sized chunks. Get your pan nice and hot and add the bacon. You're going to cook the bacon until it renders its fat and is nice and crisp. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and place on a plate lined with paper towel. Next, add your onions and peppers to that same bacon fat and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the veggies are soft and the onions are translucent. Then in with the mushrooms and cook for an additional 3 minutes. I'm going to add some of NG's AP seasoning. My seasoning and all the ingredients are of course listed in the description below. Once everything is cooked and combined, remove the mixture from the pan and place in a large bowl and cool for 20 minutes. In the meantime, season your chicken breasts. First, take your knife and cut a pocket in each breast to put in the filling. Take your time and try not to cut through to the end. Just a nice pocket. Now rub some olive oil all over the chicken and season. My seasoning is a combination of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, thyme, and oregano. Get that seasoning all over the chicken, inside and out. Then preheat your oven to 375 degrees. After letting the veggies cool, we're going to add our bacon to that bowl and then fold in 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese followed by 1 cup of sharp white cheddar cheese. Mix to combine, then fill each breast with heaping tablespoons of that glorious filling. Try not to overfill, but if some does ooze out during the cooking process, it's fine. It's all now part of the sauce. Get your pan nice and hot. Add some olive oil and butter. Add your chicken breast to the pan and sear for 3 minutes. Give it a flip and cook on the other side for an additional 3 minutes. I can't help it, but I have to baste this chicken. Add some butter to your pan, melt it down. Tilt your pan and baste your chicken with the butter. This is looking like a 5-star restaurant dish. I can't wait to plate this up. After the 3 minutes, add some more butter to your pan and transfer your chicken to the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, bacon and mushroom stuffed chicken breast. Doesn't that look so good? Hands down, this is the best chicken breast you have ever made. You just became a star. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. And I will see you till the next time.